Hello everybody, my name is Andrew McGillicuddy and welcome to my Slack tutorial. First things first, I'd like to say that Slack is a tool that we use for a very deliberate reason to stay organized and to save time. We could use a lot of other forms of communication, but Slack is the one that truly allows us to keep everything in one place and also filter information out so that you're reading stuff that is important to you. If everyone uses Slack, then it will save everyone time and everyone can be more efficient. Now, let me show you some of the tips and tricks that I picked up over my time using Slack that has allowed me to save time and hopefully can allow you to save time as well. Alright guys, so the first thing I want to do is show you a tool that you can use in any channel that we use quite frequently to keep all of our ideas on like a project in one place, and that's called a post. And you just gotta click this little plus icon right here and you can create a post. In the post you'll have a title, which will be right here once it pops up, and you'll have a place where you can put the rest of the information that you want. So I could just make this Slack video and then blah. So once I'm done with my post, which I am, I click share and I can share it for other people to view. I can go to any channel, I can share it to people, and then this will give them the power to look at what I'm working on. But unless I click this checkbox, then that's when I give them the power to edit it as well. On this post, you have the ability to add comments. So if someone is working on something, you can say, hey man, really like what you are doing. And it creates a little thread that allows you to stay organized with your ideas. So the first thing I'm going to show you is starred channels, and this just allows you to put any channel that you deem important at the top right over here. Next thing is this option of mute channels. You can mute any channel that you don't want to receive notifications for. Over here you can see activity, you can see where people have tagged you in posts and stuff that involves you. Over here is starred items. This serves as an archive for any important messages that you want to save for later. And over here you can see the files. Your files allows you to see files that you've been working on, and all files allows you to see files that everyone has been working on. The next thing I want to show you guys is how to edit your Slack preferences. Go up to here, Pakta, preferences, and then you can go in here, notifications. One thing that is kind of cool about notifications is you can edit words that you want to notify you for. So for example, if you were on a project for the Ecuador and you want every time Ecuador came up you wanted to be notified, you could do that. Also, another cool key feature is do not disturb. It allows you to pick the times that Slack is sending you notifications on your computer and on your phone. There's a bunch of other cool features in here that I'm gonna let you guys check out, but there's another feature that I wanted to highlight, and that is turn on all unreads. And this is super helpful because it will just give you a little section at the top and it will show you everything that you haven't read for the day. If you're just trying to get a quick update on the day or what you missed since the last time you've been on Slack, it's a great way to do that. So now I'm going to show you how you can actually message yourself in order to save information. You can do anything in your own message box that you can do in any other message box. You can create a post, you can download anything. And I'm going to show you a couple cool features that you can do in any channel, but I'm just going to do them in my channel so that no one else can see. So the first one is a reminder. You can remind anyone to do anything, but in order to remind yourself to do something, you just got to say remind me in 2 days to check on this video. And then Slack will set a reminder for 9 a.m. Friday, March 31st. It's great just to set reminders for yourself if you don't want to forget something. Another thing that you can do is you can do message. This is an easy way to slide into people's DMs, just by the way. I'm just gonna message I'm gonna message Slack bot, and I'm just gonna say, hey man, and I can have a little conversation with Slack bot. He doesn't understand, but hopefully he will in time. And then if you want to see any of the other things that you want to do in you can just hit backslash, and then there's a bunch of different things, including starting a Skype call, starting a peer-in call, starting a channel or a conversation. Yeah. Everybody, thank you for watching, and I hope that you guys can learn at least 1 or 2 things that you could use on Slack to make your life a little bit easier. From here on out, you guys should be using Slack as a primary form of communication amongst your team, but also you guys should be using Slack to communicate with other teams. As you find articles, as you find opportunities or non-work related stuff that you want to share with other people, post it in the random channel. We want to see it. We know that other teams are going to want to see it as well. We also encourage you guys to reach out to other teams. You guys are going to be working on different projects in the same country. You know, you guys should be working together. If you guys are working within the same country, you guys are going to have ideas that are going to be pertinent to both aspects of both projects. As you're going through the practice process also, we want you guys to post any idea, big or small, in the ideas channel. This is going to help spark creativity, but also it may be a great idea that another team can use within their own project to, you know, make their project even better. But anyways, that's it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you have a lot of love for this video, give it a like. And if you want to show it to your grandma, hit the share button. But other than that, I'm out. Peace.